B04U. It's a 4-port USB hub. And this is a version modification. It's a little bit lower cost than the one we've already got in the store because it doesn't have the pogo pins on it. The Zero to Go Omni. And this one is a triple input buck boost power supply. I think it goes from like 3.5 up to like maybe like 20 volts or something, maybe even more. If you're using this with a Pi 3, you'll want one of these lifters because this sits so low against the board that on a Pi 3 it'll actually kind of like bump into the camera connector. So it's a 8x16 IS31FL31, what's the part number? 3731 Charlie Plex controller. You can also see it does font scrolling very well. It all happens over I2C, so it's really, you guys must see the one white. So very similar, but it's white. 8x16, 128 LEDs total, and the lovely thing is it works with our CircuitPython library, so you can use our CircuitPython code and use frame buffer to do text and drawing and stuff, and then it also, you can use Pillow to make a frame buffer with whatever you want and then like display that into the display.